Hello from your The People's Channel.
Guatemala's Gold Cup upset train continues. After toppling the Reggae Boys in the group stage, they now conquered the much-hyped Canadian team. Canada took the lead from the penalty spot via Jonathan David in the first half, only for Rubio Rubin to equalize in the second. Rubin, the former United States player, has been causing a lot of problems in the tournament with his movement and finishing. It was no surprise during penalty kicks that Canadian youngster LDF missed his penalty. The English-born and raised player looked terrified before and after the kickoff. For Guatemala, their excellent run continues, and we will see if they are able to continue the story when they face the USA in St. Louis in a couple days. The USA will also be coming off of an emotional high, having beat Costa Rica in penalties, a dramatic regular time encounter. For Canada, it is complete disappointment for the Jesse Marsch-led unit. With all due respect to Marsch, this is generally how his teams are when they get to the finish line. They create a lot of buzz and hype initially, matching his full speed ahead personality. Marsch's plan B is usually to do plan A better. This was evident from his days as a coach at the New York Red Bulls. He had Jamaican Taxi Lawrence in his squad at the peak of Lawrence's career. He would play Lawrence at all times, as Lawrence's blazing speed helped his team to recover on numerous occasions when the defensive line was caught too high. Eventually, Lawrence ran out of gas, and when he was no longer available due to injury, Marsch had no adjustment to his game plan. He was still playing the same crazy press with a replacement who was miles slower than Lawrence. Don't be shocked if the same thing happens at Canada. After a while, the US corporate culture-style slogans start to get old. His players start to get fatigued, and the players have problems maintaining their composure in the most important moments. Marsch and his demanding personality would probably be a good fit for the Jamaican national team, given that it's filled with players who like to take advantage of weak coaches. It probably would never work in the end, as he now has a high profile, and even if he got the job himself, the federation and the players would likely clash at some point. From here on out, it will be interesting to observe the progress of the Guatemalan and Canadian programs. Both seem to be building momentum with their fan bases, but a lot could change by time we get to the World Cup qualifiers and the World Cup, respectively.
Respect as always. We can catch you next time.